Many people want to speak English. They want to speak fluently, without fear, without stopping, and without forgetting words. But when they try to speak, they feel nervous. They open their mouth, but no words come out. Their mind goes blank. They forget what they want to say. They feel shy. They feel scared. And then they stop. They think, "My English is not good. I will never be fluent." But this is not true. You can speak English fluently. Yes, you can. You do not need to speak perfect English. You do not need big, difficult words. You only need to speak clearly, confidently, and every day. Speaking fluently means speaking simply, easily, and without fear. Today, I will tell you how to do that. I will tell you in very easy English, step by step, so you can follow and understand everything. First, let us understand what fluent English means. Many people think fluent English means using very hard words, big grammar, or long sentences. But that is not true. Fluent English means that you can speak without stopping too much. Fluent English means you can share your thoughts in English. You can say what you want to say. Even if you make small mistakes, that is okay. If the other person understands you, then your English is working. So remember, fluent does not mean perfect. Fluent means comfortable and easy. Now let's talk about the first step. The first and most important step is listening. Yes, listening is the key. Before you speak well, you must listen well. Think about how babies learn a language. A baby listens to the mother and father every day. The baby listens for many months before speaking. The baby does not read grammar books. The baby just listens. After many months, the baby starts to speak. This is how the brain learns language. So if you want to speak English fluently, start with listening. Listen to English every day. You can listen to English podcasts, English songs, English cartoons, short stories, YouTube videos, or even English news. You do not have to understand every word. Just enjoy the sound. Let the words go into your ears. Your brain will remember, and slowly, you will begin to speak better. Now let's move to the second step. This step is speaking every day. Yes, speak every single day. Speak even if you feel shy. Speak even if you make mistakes. Speak even if you have no one to talk to. You can talk to yourself. You can stand in front of the mirror and talk. You can say simple sentences like, "I am happy," or "This is my room," or "Today is a good day." When you speak again and again, your mouth becomes used to English. Your tongue and your lips start to move easily. You speak faster. You speak better. Speaking is like exercise. The more you do it, the stronger you get. So don't wait for someone to speak to you. You start first. Just talk out loud, alone, every day. The third step is to not be afraid of mistakes. Many learners stop speaking because they are scared of mistakes. But mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Remember this, no one in the world speaks perfect English all the time. Even native English speakers make mistakes. They forget words. They say the wrong thing. So why should you feel bad? Just smile and try again. Speak bravely. Speak with confidence. Your mistakes are your teachers. Now we come to the fourth step. This step is about learning small sentences first. Many people try to learn difficult grammar in the beginning. They try to remember long words and complex rules, but this makes them tired and confused. So don't start with big grammar. Start with small, useful sentences. Learn how to say things, like, "What is your name? Where are you from? Can you help me?" Or, "I am learning English." These small sentences are very powerful. You use them in real life. Use them again and again. Repeat them every day. When these sentences become easy, then you can move to longer sentences. The next step is something many people forget. This step is called copy and repeat. It is also known as shadowing. Shadowing means listening to someone speaking English and saying the same thing after them. You copy their words, their voice, their tone, and their speed. You do not write anything. You just listen and speak. For example, you watch a video of someone saying, I like to read books. You pause and say, I like to read books. Then the next line. You do this every day. Soon, your mouth will move just like native speakers. Your fluency will improve a lot. Now comes a very powerful step, thinking in English. Most learners think in their own language and then try to change the words into English. This takes time. This slows you down. So try to think in English. Start with small things. For example, if you want water, don't think "pani chahiye" or "agua por favor." Just think, I need water. If you see a dog, think, this dog is cute. These small English thoughts will change your brain slowly. After some time, English will become your thinking language. Then, speaking will be easy and fast. Another helpful step is to practice speaking with others. If you have a friend who is also learning English, talk to them. Make a plan to speak English for 15 minutes every day. Talk about your day, your food, your hobbies, or your dreams. Laugh, enjoy, and keep speaking. If you do not have anyone to talk to, use a voice recording app. Record yourself speaking. Then listen to it and try again. You can also use language. Exchange apps or join English-speaking groups online. There are many people like you who want to practice. You just have to start. Here are a few more helpful tips. Always stay positive. Don't say, my English is bad. Say, I am learning. I am getting better. Don't say, I can't speak. Say, I am practicing every day. Believe in yourself. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Don't worry about big grammar rules in the beginning. Just use simple English. Make English a part of your daily life. Speak English while walking. Speak English while cooking. Speak English while thinking. Slowly, English will become natural to you. And remember, learning a language takes time. It is like planting a tree. First, you plant the seed. Then you water it every day. At first, you see nothing. But one day, a small plant comes out. After many days, it becomes a tree. Speaking English is like that. You need time, care, and daily practice. But one day, you will speak fluently. One day, you will speak without fear. One day, you will say, wow, I did it. So now, let us review what we learned today. First, listen to English every day. Second, speak every day, even alone. Third, don't be afraid of mistakes. Fourth, learn and use small sentences. Fifth, copy and repeat after native speakers. Sixth, think in English. Seventh, talk with others or record yourself. And lastly, stay positive and keep practicing. You can do it. Yes, you can. Don't stop. Don't give up. Just speak, speak, speak. Fluency is coming to you. Thank you for learning with the English class. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep growing. Your English journey has just begun.